Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day, and I just want to show you how we can really step up a card here just by the type of card you're using. This is our metallic edged foil edged cards. This is the gold card, and I'm just wanting to show you a simple card using this. What we're going to need is we're going to need the Calligraphy Essentials stamp set. Now you can have the kit is also there, and that shows you how to color it in if you want it, but you can use it just color it in the way you want to, or just use it plain. We're also going to be using the gold foiled cards and envelopes. I love this. This is in the holiday catalog, so you better get them fast. I don't think they're going to continue them. I really like them because for simple stamping, it just gives it a little bit of more buzz. I'm also using Memento ink. And you can use, for this one, you can also use, Memento ink. You can also use your Stamparatus if you want to make a lot of these. So that's what I'm going to use, is the Stamparatus, because I want to make a few of these. These are going to be my thank you cards for this month. So if you buy from me this month, you'll receive one of these cards. So I'm just going to put the Stamparatus together here. Okay. I'm going to take one of the cards, and I'm just going to do a thank you. So I'm just going to put the thank you down. And since it's right in the corner, I'm not going to use the magnets. I'm inking up the thank you with the Memento black. And there you go. So we've got that part done. Let me clean off my stamp, and I'm just going to take this apart and put it aside. I'm going to use it again. So now what you want to do is you want to take a good marker, and by good marker I mean you want one, I'll show you the real red one. You can see, let's see this. You can see that the tip, come on. The tip there, you can see how it's a little ratty there. So you want a good one. You want one that, let's try Blackberry Bliss. You want one that somebody hasn't used the tip very much. A lot of people, and mine was used on classes, a lot of people don't realize that you should use it on the side. A lot of people use it up and down, so the tip gets worn out or gets done. So I'm going to use Blackberry Bliss, which has a really nice tip. And all I'm going to do is just color this in. Now, if you have the kit, it tells you how to start at the top for the heavy lines and bring it down. And start for the light lines, start at the bottom and use the tip up, heavy lines down on the side. But you can just leave it if you don't have markers. You can just leave it as is. The black and white is really nice. Now I have both silver and gold cards. We have both silver and gold cards. I have the gold out because I thought it would be better with the silver, but can't find the silver. It's packed away someplace. Anyhow, you'll just finish these off, whichever color you would like. And you could even go with different colors for different letters if you would like. I'm not that good with the calligraphy stuff, so a lot of times I just take my other end and just color it in. Like this. Especially on those light, thin lines. But again, almost any simple card you can use these foiled cards and envelopes. I love them. They're beautiful. They make such great cards for simple stamping. Gives it that little pizzazz, almost like the detailed note card, delightfully detailed note cards. But the delightfully detailed note cards are smaller. These are full-size cards. Or at least they're 8.5 by 4 1/4. And they come with beautiful envelopes also. So remember to follow me on YouTube. Please purchase all your Stampin' Up! Products from me. And this is from Stamp and Camp with Mary, out of Mary's Stamping Happenings. And it is simple stamping. Hope you've enjoyed it. All the information to buy everything you need to make this card is down below. So thanks for visiting. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.